I haven't made a video in a very long time, about 3-4 months, I believe. And it's because there has been so much going on, but also it's been a struggle to make videos. Everything feels so difficult, but even this video, I don't have a script. I'm not really sure where this will go. We'll just see where it goes. But I'm going to keep it simple, probably not going to edit much. I wanted to get back into YouTube because I have been thinking about it and I miss it. But there were so many reasons that I stopped, and I've decided that I'm going to pivot a little bit from the usual stuff that I was making. The last 3 months have been not a struggle, but very interesting. I have struggled a little, but I've also gotten a lot. I've had a lot of wins. If you have seen any of my other videos, you probably know that I was unemployed for a while and then I got a job that I was really enjoying, but that job was a contract position where I had been asked if I wanted to be a full-time employee, and everything was great. They had started the process, but then they had some budget issues and I was told that my contract would be ending in November. So I just had to start job searching again. It wasn't as difficult as it was before, just because I had that experience and I had made a few contacts in the process as well. But I was just getting assessments after assessments, which I was so thankful about because it just meant that I was getting interviews. But whenever I sat down to make a video, first it was hard for me to create a script because I don't know, I just was in too much in my head. I always felt that my hair didn't look good, and the lighting was never fine. I didn't know what microphone to get. I don't know if the audio is fine right now, but we're just going to go with it. There were so many reasons why I couldn't make a video, or at least I told myself that I couldn't make a video because I easily could have found time. But I finally got a full-time job, and it's funny that I wasn't even going to apply to this job because it was 2 levels higher than what I was, the level that I was at. But my manager for the contract role that I had convinced me and encouraged me to go for this position, and she said that I had a lot more potential than I could see. And I feel like a lot of people are like that. We underestimate ourselves all the time. But I ended up getting the job. The money is great, the team is great. I only have to go in like once a week to the office. It's a mixture of real estate and data, so I'm very interested in it. One of my goals last year was to get out of Waterloo, and I finally did. I have this new apartment. It's a 1-bedroom, small, cozy apartment, and everything that I wanted to achieve last year, I did, because things started moving really fast. End of December, everything that I did all year started paying off at the end of the year. So I'm very glad that I didn't stop and I just kept pushing. But I felt like my goalpost kept moving. I wasn't satisfied with everything that I had and everything that I had achieved. And I just realized that it's not a good place to be in. So creating videos, if coming back to the topic, because I'm rambling right now, creating videos was always a way for me to be creative and just discover that aspect of my brain, because I've always been a numbers girl, and I think that I also really worry about what people are going to say. Even though I am not very fast to judge people, but I think that other people will judge me, which is not really true. So I was chatting with my brother and he told me that I could just express myself, use this as my way of expression, and I could treat it as my personal diary about things that I'm doing, things that I'm learning, the crypto trading that I've been in for the last 2 months. I could just talk about anything. And if we think about our parents, at least mine, they have gone through so much in their lives, but there is no documentation of it. They don't have photos, they don't have videos, they didn't write anything down. It's all just a memory. And when you go by life doing whatever you have to do, time goes by really fast, and you think back and you always think about what you could have done, what you should have done, how different you were before. You've lost part of yourself or you've become so much bigger, but it's always good to have something tangible to look back to. And like I said, everything that I achieved in December was because of all the hard work I put in the entire year. And I think it's important to document your life, just see your progression and appreciate your resilience. I'm almost at the end of my 20s and I want to document my life. So This channel is going to be whatever I want it to be. I hope that I am consistent, but right now I'm thinking maybe twice a month. I don't expect anyone to still be here, but if you are still here, I've never really asked people to subscribe or like my videos because I just felt that why would someone do that? But it's so encouraging. It's so encouraging when you see your subscriber count increase, or when people are commenting or liking or reaching out to you. And so I would love it if you could subscribe to my channel, and I would love it if you come back and put in some comments. We can have a little chat, not to this video, but maybe to some of the future content that I put out. I haven't decided what it's going to be, but I definitely want to continue YouTube because having a project that you care about is so important. It's so important to have something outside of your work, and you never know what it leads to. My biggest goal is to create financial independence for myself. Whatever I experienced in my job, it has opened my eyes, and it was a very toxic culture that I left, and I don't want to forget the lessons that I've learned. The biggest one being that it's important to have your freedom, and your freedom only comes when you have enough money to support yourself. It's a sad reality of the world, but making money is a skill. It's very difficult to make money outside of your 9-to-5 job because honestly, we haven't really been taught the skills to do that. I will be trying out a few things. I would love if you join in this journey with me while I figure out my niche, while I figure out what kind of videos I want to make, while I enhance my video making skills. So I hope that you come back, and I will see you soon. Bye.